I welcome you all to RKP online classes. So, we are meeting after a long while. Hope you all will study by taking interest. So, today we are going to start with another interesting chapter which is about maps. Okay, so as you know that in previous chapters or in chapter number 2 we discussed about the globes. Yes, we discussed about the globes, mean how they help us to study the earth as a whole. And now we are going to discuss about the map. Globes help us to study about the earth, as a whole. Okay, and maps, they are the drawings. It means we can study about the particular part of a place or particular place of the earth by the help of maps. Okay, so a globe can be useful when we want to study the earth as a whole. Okay, that is called globe. But when we want to study a little part or a small part of the earth, we use maps. So basically, what is map? Map is a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface. So here is a picture of map. This is map. So this is a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it which is drawn on a flat surface. But we know that it is impossible to make the earth flatten at a time and to show it on a map. Okay, so that is called map. So basically, what is atlas? Atlas is a book of maps. It means when many maps are put together, we get an atlas. What is atlas? A book of maps. So this is a book of maps which is called atlas. Okay, this is the book of map. Now all the maps are given in this book. Okay, wherever you will see, you will find that only maps are given. This is the book of only maps. Clear? So basically it is an atlas. So what is atlas? Atlas is a book of maps, or when many maps are put together, we get an atlas. And these atlas can be of various size and the measurements as well. Now we know that globes provide us information about the earth. Yes, but we know this thing also, that maps provide us more information than a globe. Why? Because globe gives us information about the whole earth at a time, but maps provide us information about even a small part of the earth as well. It gives us specific information about a part as well. Okay, so basically there are some types of maps given here. So these are the types of maps. There are 3 types of maps. You can show it on a triangle as well. Okay, first, second and third. Okay, so first is physical, second is political, and third is thematic. Okay, so as you know, we have discussed about these maps in the previous classes as well. Okay, so first is physical maps. What are physical maps? Physical maps are those maps, which show the natural features. What are the natural features? Like mountains, plains, plateau, rivers. Okay, whatever the natural things, they provide us information about the physical features of our country. Okay, so these are called physical maps, and we can show them by using different colors. For desert, we can use brown color for soil, and for mountains as well, we can use dark brown, and then we can use green for the vegetation as well, and we can use white for the snow, by which Himalayas are covered. Okay, so basic, and we can use blue color to show water or to show the oceans and the seas. So these are called physical maps in which we show natural features by using different colors. Okay, now these next is political maps. Political maps. Political maps means the maps which are showing the boundaries of that particular place जिसका भी हम use कर रहे हैं. Okay, so it means we can say that political maps are the maps which showing cities, towns and villages or the country or the states with their boundaries. So these are called political maps. Clear? Now next is thematic maps. What are thematic maps? Thematic maps mean which are based on some information or some theme. Like we can talk about rainfall. Okay, the areas which are receiving the highest rainfall in our country, then we can show in this about temperature, about minerals, about the crops, mean which are the rice producing states in our country, which are the most rice producing states. Okay, so they all will be shown on thematic maps, so they will be called thematic maps. So this was about globe, map, atlas and the types of maps. We discussed about globe and the map as well, but what is the main thing, what is the main disadvantage or the limitation of a globe that help us in using maps? So we can say that globes, they are not easy to carry from one place to another, but at the same time, on the other hand, if we are using at that time, if we are using maps, it would be very easy for us to carry them from one place to another. That's why we can say that they provide us a specific knowledge about any area or a part of the earth. Hope this is clear to you all. I'm giving you some questions to note down in your classwork notebook. You have to write the answers and then share it in your classwork group. Your handwriting must be neat and clean. Hope this topic is clear to you all. So basically, first question is, what is map? What is map? What is map? Second question is, what is atlas? What is atlas? What is atlas? And third is, write down the 3 types of maps. Write down the 3 types of maps. Hope this video is clear to you all. If it is not clear, then you can again watch this video and start doing the answers in your classwork notebook and start sharing after attempting them.